Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is making a strange noise, it can be quite alarming. Often, this unusual sound indicates a problem with the motor or a blockage in the airflow. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant issues, potentially causing permanent damage to your vacuum cleaner. Therefore, it's essential to tackle this problem as soon as possible. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the handle and base. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, ensuring to keep all screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the casing apart, taking care not to damage any clips. The faulty component is usually the motor, which can be identified by its unusual sound. It is typically located near the base of the device. To extract the motor, disconnect any attached wires carefully, noting where each wire is connected. You might need to apply a bit of force to detach the motor, but be cautious not to tug on any nearby components. After removing the old motor, place the new one in the same position, reconnect the wires securely, and ensure they are not pinched or damaged. When everything is back in place, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the clips and gently press them until you hear a click, then replace the screws, tightening them firmly but not excessively. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush. Keeping your Dyson V8 well maintained will ensure it operates efficiently and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.